I'm Dr. Utkarsh Ritodkar, State Surveillance Officer from Directorate of Health Services. As I'm young as Zamblia, World Zoonosis Day celebration करपा खातीर. Now, as a World Zoonosis Day, why it is celebrated is because Louis Pasteur on 6th of July in 1885, he first time gave a anti-rabies vaccine to a child. It was successfully given there, and thereafter, this 6th July has been observed as a World Zoonosis Day. The idea is to generate awareness among general public on zoonotic diseases. There are various zoonotic diseases which can come from animals to humans. One of the major is rabies. Other diseases which we find in Goa, in this Sattari area, there is something called as Casanur forest disease or monkey fever. There is something called as leptospirosis. We also know are more common diseases like dengue, malaria, Japanese encephalitis. These are again diseases which are spread through vectors like mosquitoes. So all these diseases collectively are called as zoonotic diseases or zoonosis. Now this day is celebrated so that we make aware general public. Here we are come here to the school so that we can create awareness amongst students, so that this message of taking precautions for any zoonotic diseases goes a long way, right from from through them it will go to their families, their surrounding people, and they can even convey the messages of importance of taking precautions for this disease. Something like a rabies disease is 100% preventable if taken anti-rabies vaccine in time immediately. But if it is not taken and somebody gets a rabies disease, it is 100% fatal. Nipah virus disease is a disease which is seen, down in Kerala. Somewhere in 2017-18, this was the first time which was seen there, and there were approximately around 18 cases and almost around 17 deaths that time. This was one of the outbreaks which was seen there, and again a zoonotic origin. The origin of this virus was from bats which were found in one of the wells. But then the case fatality rate of this particular virus disease is very high. It is almost close to somewhere around 80 to 90%. So that's why this disease becomes one of the disease under surveillance, or to keep in mind whenever we do our surveillance about the fever outbreaks. Even now, this year, Kerala has seen these cases. There are, I think, as of now, there are 2 confirmed cases, and both cases have died. And the surveillance is in place in Kerala currently.